Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of concerned parents and teachers contacting me in regards to the YouTube Kids app. They're concerned about what their kids are watching inside of the app. In fact, one of the saddest things I've heard today is that a kid came home from school and their teacher had told them, their whole class, that they could no longer use the YouTube Kids app. And this was the policy for the whole school. To me, that's super sad because instead of fixing that one bad thing, they're throwing away all of the good stuff that comes with the YouTube Kids app. So in this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to solve this problem, how to make it safe so that you never have to worry about what your kids are watching. Well, you start by opening up the Kids app. It's got this cute little animation that plays at the beginning. My little daughter loves all these characters. And the first thing you can notice is that I'm not logged in. We're going to click the icon up here at the top, and we're going to click Get Started. It's going to ask me to verify my age by entering the date I was born. And I know I'm old. Down here at the bottom, it says accounts on this device, and it already knows that I'm logged in to another app. So let's go ahead and click sign in, and I'm going to type in the password to my Google account. Now, it's very important that you log in with a Google account. That's how you gain access to all of the parental controls. Then we can click confirm, and it takes us to the create a profile page. My little girl's name is Olivia. And she is 2 years old. You say, okay, the next one is birth month, and we can leave that off. We can leave it blank. An animation is going to play that teaches us more about YouTube's automated system. And we're going to skip this because we're not going to use YouTube's automated system. We're going to just use our own approved content. This option over here on the right allows us to have total and complete control over the YouTube Kids app. There's no suggested videos. YouTube has no role in selecting videos for your child. It's all up to you. It comes with an additional drawback where the search function is disabled. That's okay because sometimes I feel like that's even safer. Now this next part is super cool. This is where we get to select the channels and the videos that we want available for our child or even our student or classroom. We're going to go ahead and click start. Up here at the top, we have 5 different icons. These represent the different main categories of content in the YouTube Kids app. The first one is collections. This is an easy way to add a lot of content. And they're by trusted brands. So PBS Kids, if you click on it, you can see all of the channels that PBS has suggested are okay by them. Now, if you agree with them, you can click this collection button and add the whole list. This is an easy way to add a lot of content. Let's go back. I'm going to use the search function, and I'm partial to art videos. So I'm going to type in our channel, Art for Kids Hub, and here we go, right there. Now, our channel pops right up, and also we have a bunch of videos from our channel. Now, we can individually select videos, or we can say the whole channel is great. I want to add them all. Now, this gives me a quick alert telling me that if this channel adds new content, it'll automatically be added to our kids' feed. So you want to make sure that you're adding a channel that you completely trust. Now we've added one channel, let's add another. We're going to add Peppa the Pig. Now there's been a lot of stuff in the news about Peppa the Pig videos and the YouTube Kids app, and that's where a lot of the concern comes from. So if we do a search for Peppa the Pig, we can see that there's videos that show up. We've got the official channel right here. Now if we can't find the channel and we select on one of the videos, we can see the channel right under the title. Now, if we know this is the official channel, then we can click the Add Channel button right next to it. And if we go back, we can see that it's added a bunch of videos from Peppa the Pig because we've added the whole channel. So I wanted to show you, if I scroll through this list of Peppa the Pig results for the search, we can see that there's one video right here that is not added. If I click on it, up here in the top, we can see that the channel is different. It says Peppa Videos. Now, this possibly is not an official channel, and you can see that it hasn't added that. It only added the videos, the Peppa the Pig videos, from the official channel. So this is a great way to add content that you know is safe for your kid. And be careful of the videos that are not selected, so you don't know what's going to show up in this. So I'd recommend watching the video. When you get all the way through, if you know it's safe, then you can go in and add it individually. So let's go back. We're going to leave it like this. We're not going to select that one video, and let's preview our selections. We got Art for Kids Hub, and we have Peppa the Pig, and nothing else. Up here at the top, we can see there's an orange, and it says approved for you. Now let's say that you found a new channel and you want to add it to the approved list. Let's go ahead and say done. We can actually add another profile by clicking that plus. Let's go ahead and just click the next button. It's going to give us a few extra tips, including how to get back to the settings. So let's click done. We can also add another profile here, but it's just telling you that the app is ready for Olivia to start using. So we can click on her. We can see those two channels, but let's go ahead and add another channel that we've found. We're going to click the little lock button down here in the bottom right corner, and it pops up a math problem that we have to try to solve. Now this is to try to keep your kids from getting into the settings and change them, but if your kids are smart or old enough, they can figure this out. Now down here, it's got a link to set your own passcode. We're going to do that in a second. So let's go ahead and solve this and click submit. Then we're going to click the settings button. Now we're on the settings page, and we're going to click Olivia's profile. It's going to ask us to sign back into our Google account. Click next, and then it takes us to her profile settings. We can click the manage under the content level. It's going to take us back to where we can approve any additional content that we want for our child. So I'm going to click the search button. I've heard about this new guy. He's got a really cool channel for young kids, and it's awesome because it's super educational. We're going to click Blippi, and there is Blippi's channel and all of his videos. We're going to go ahead and add his whole channel. Now again, notice that some of these videos or results are not selected. That's because they're from a different channel. This one says Blippi Toys. So just make sure that you are selecting channels that you trust and you know are the official channel. So let's go ahead and say done, and we'll go back. And there's Blippi's channel. It's right there in the corner. We also got Art for Kids Hub and Peppa the Pig. Let's show you really quickly how to add that passcode. You could just click set my passcode right here. It's still going to ask you to solve a math problem. So let's go ahead, enter that in, and then we're going to create that passcode. I'm just going to pick a simple one. It's going to ask us to confirm, and I would recommend not using that one because it's easy for your kid to figure out. Then it will pop up the option to be able to select our settings, our timer. This is a great option, so you can limit the time your kid has on the app, and you can also provide feedback to YouTube, give them suggestions and ways that they can make this app better. Now, one other tip I wanted to give to teachers is that if you have 10 iPads, 10 devices in your classroom, and you are logged into all 10 of them, and you adjust the settings on one device, it will copy to all 10 devices. It's easy to manage for your classroom. So if you decide that Blippi is no longer an approved channel for your classroom, you can go into your settings and uncheck the Blippi channel, and it will update on all 10 of your devices. Another tip is when you go into the channel, if there's a specific video that you don't want your child to watch on that channel, say everything is great except for this one about gross teeth. I'm sure it's fine. But if you click the three dots down here on the video, you can say block this video. That will update on all of your devices. I hope you found this video extremely helpful, especially if you're considering or already have deleted the app. It's such a great resource, and it's sad to see people lose trust in it. All it takes is a few extra minutes to set up a profile, add some approved content, and you know your kid's safe. Please reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram and let me know what you think about this video. Also, let me know if you have additional questions, and maybe I need to make a follow-up video to this one. And we'll see you later. Goodbye!